In this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn your Hardcase into a backpack. You don't need anything fancy, just 2 ropes or 2 straps and a little patience. I'll show you 4 different versions, but all of them are based on the same simple idea, so you can pick the one that works best for you. After watching this tutorial, I'm sure you'll get it. And from now, you can carry your Hardcase hands-free, like a boss. Let's get started. First, let me show you the knot I use for this trick. First loop it over, then under, and then pull it through this loop here. Tighten it up a bit, and before it's fully tight, tuck the end back through like this for a quick release option. Pull it as tight as you can. To adjust the knot on the main rope, just pinch and slide it. Let go and it stays in the place. By the way, the quick release step is optional. Now let's do the same with regular rope. Everything is exactly the same, so if you already got it, feel free to skip ahead. Pull it really tight, it's important. This extra loop is totally optional. It's just for the quick release trick. And now with straps. You can skip this if you are already comfy with the knot. Cross it over, then loop beneath, and then pull it through this loop here. Tighten it up a bit, and before it's fully tight, the end just goes back for that quick release option. After that, don't forget to tighten it as hard as you can. If you're planning to jump around with your instrument on your back, here is a stronger version of the knot. Cross it over, loop beneath once and second time, and pull the end through the second loop. Tighten it up a bit, and before it's fully tight, you can push back the end to add that quick release option. And remember to tighten it as hard as you can. With a push on the knot, you can slide it where you want. This knot is called a Taut-Line hitch, by the way. Let's see the stronger knot again, this time with rope. After crossing it over, loop it beneath twice. Then push through the second one. There are plenty of tutorials online about how to tie this kind of knot. And honestly, you don't have to use this exact one. The important thing is that it should be adjustable along the other rope, so feel free to invent your own. Now let's see with straps, and if everything is clear about how to tie this knot already, feel free to jump to the next chapter. Cross it over, loop it beneath twice, then just push the end through the second loop. Tighten it a bit, and while it's still loose, let's just fold the end back to add that quick release option. Once the knot is where you want it, pull it tight. Now here is how you turn your Hardcase into a backpack with ropes only. These ropes are about 2.5 meters long, but your case might need a different length. Tie the rope to the top and bottom of the case like this. This version is great when you've got nothing fancy around, just some ropes. Make sure it's tight. Now this one comes under here. Try to already guess the right length for your shoulders, like this. Tie the rope back onto itself with that knot we practiced. I know it seems complicated at first, but trust me, it's easier than you think. Then the other side the same way. Keep the length roughly equal, so it won't lean to one side. Tighten this knot too. Now slide the knots to match the strap length, so the case sits straight. Looks good. Let's test it. Yep. Solid. And here is how you take it off. Just loosen the nuts and you're ready. Want to bring a small extra backpack with you? Same setup. Just make sure to thread the ropes through the backpack straps before tightening them onto the case. Tie one of the ropes tightly up here at the top. Now we take the second rope, thread it through the small backpack's shoulder straps, and then fasten it to the bottom of the guitar case, making sure the knot ends up on the opposite side compared to the top one. We pass the end of the top rope under the bottom rope and tie it to itself. One magic knot here, and the other one goes here. Tighten everything well. Slide the knots to the right spot to match both shoulder straps. We are almost ready. Let's just tighten the small backpack too. Alright, let's give this masterpiece a shake test. Sweet, it stays in one piece. And as you can see, taking it off is a piece of cake too. You just need to slide the nuts to get it loose. And if you don't want to redo the nuts every time, no problem. Just leave the nuts tied and put the whole thing back on later. Tighten it back onto the case and adjust the strap lengths by sliding the nuts, and you're ready. Now let's do this backpack conversion with two straps. These straps I'm using are also 2.5 meters long. First, tighten the top strap here, then the bottom one. Put it on from below. Make sure the clips are on opposite sides, right side and left side. Pull the top strap under the bottom one and tie it to itself. Try to get the loop roughly the right size now, so it will fit your shoulder nicely. Take your time. It might feel tricky to tie this knot at first, but do it a few times and it will feel like nothing. Practice makes perfect. So be patient. And give it a solid pull when you're done. These straps are sneaky and like to slip. Now take the bottom strap, run it under the top one and tie it to itself. Try to match the length of the other shoulder strap now, so you won't need to adjust much later. While I'm tying the knots here, I just want to mention this setup can easily be upgraded for more comfort. For example, you could add some padding or soft material over the straps, so they don't dig into your shoulders. And once the knot is done, pull it really tight. Alright, let's check if the two shoulder straps are even. Just make some quick adjustments by sliding the nuts into place. Time to see how stable this setup really is. Seems nice to me. Yee! And taking it off is super easy. Just loosen the buckles and the whole thing comes right off. Just like that. Want to add a little handy bag to the strap version? Just slide both straps under the backpack's shoulder straps first. Then tighten them onto the hardcase. It's a good idea to attach just one strap first. That way they won't get tangled up with each other. The order doesn't really matter. You can start with the top or the bottom strap. Just make sure the buckles end up on opposite sides. Upper strap goes under the lower one. Then tie it to itself, making sure the loop is about the right size to fit comfortably over your shoulder. It's worth tying it properly. After all, it's holding your instrument. Then take the lower strap, thread it under the upper one, and tie it back to itself just like before. Try to make the loop about the same size as the other side, so you won't need to adjust it much with the sliding knots when it's ready. Finally, make sure to pull the nuts really tight. And a little fine-tuning by sliding the knots. Now let's test this beauty. Works like charm. As I show you how to take it off, just a quick tip. I suggest using the more stable nut for longer trips. I think it's worth the effort for the extra safety. I usually go busking by bike, and this setup is an absolute game changer for that. Oh yeah, backpack mode unlocked. I hope this little hack was useful. By the way, if you enjoy musician lifestyle videos, feel free to subscribe to my channel. I upload a new video every Tuesday, from useful tips like this to street performing vlogs, live music jams and original BigyiShow tracks, all shared with an uplifting, inspiring energy. And if you would like to support this project, there's a Buy Me a Coffee link in the description. Thanks a lot. I'm more than grateful. And remember to feel the bass.